In video 29, titled Editing Images, I discovered a small error that could certainly cause some issues, and in this video I'll explain what that error is, and I will also explain the workaround to fix this error. I'll be using Help in Manual version 9 for explaining this process, as it is the same with version 7.5 too. The only difference, the editor in version 7.5 is called Impict. So basically, I had instructed in that video how to reduce the actual size of the image using the image editor. So to do this, you first click and select the image, then click the image editor button from the ribbon. The project tab needs to be open for this, and the image is opened in the editor. Here you first select the image, and from the object menu, select Resize and Effects. The bitmap object dialog opens. Here click on Resize. The Resize dialog opens. Here, enter a value. Your image is reduced to the percentage of the value entered. I am going to reduce the image to 75% of its original size, and so I enter 75 and I click OK. Click OK again when you are displayed a preview of the reduced image in the bitmap dialog. The image is reduced to 75% of its original size, and you can observe it here on the main page. Notice that 25% of the image has white space. So in my previous video, I had mentioned that to save this reduced image, all you need to do is select the image and click the Save Floppy button, in which case the original file is replaced with this reduced image, or better still, use the File menu and choose Save As to save the file with a different file name. But saving this image in this manner has a problem, because the 25% white space is also saved to the image. So though the actual image has been reduced, the white space is also carried on to the new file. Now, if this image were to be inserted into the document, notice how the white space also carried on to the file upsets the look and feel of the document. There seems to be a gap between the image and the subsequent lines. The workaround is, after reducing the size of the image, click and select it. Notice the border surrounding the reduced image. With the selection made, click Edit from the menu and then click on Copy. Then from the Edit menu again, click Paste New Image. The image is pasted in a new window, and this time notice there is no white space around the image. Now save this file with a new file name such as file name and 75 and use it in your topic. This takes care of the unwanted white space from entering your reduced image. Now, inserting this image takes care of the problem. And finally, here's another tip to reduce the display size of images. You can actually reduce the display size of the image either while inserting the image in your topic or after you have inserted it into your topic. We'll see how. While inserting images, take a look at the dialog that is invoked after you click the Insert Image button from the toolbar. Your right tab needs to be open for this. Or if you did a Ctrl P on your keyboard. Now notice the field at the bottom of the dialog that says display size. By default, this is set to 100%, but you can change its value here and the image is reduced to that changed value. Also, once an image has already been inserted, just click the image and then do a right click of the mouse, and from the menu click on Picture, and then from the sub menu click on Picture Properties. The Open Image dialog is displayed, and here too you can change the display size. But remember, here you aren't actually reducing the size of the original image, you are only altering its display size.